create a chic infinity bun on medium length hair with this technique using a hair tie and chignon pin. Gather hair into a ponytail and secure with the hair tie. On the last pass through, only pull the ponytail halfway through the hair tie. Adjust this bump section so that most of your hair is captured. Split the section in two and lay both sides flat to the head, using your hand to hold the infinity bun in place. Secure with a chignon pin. Place the legs of the pin on one side of the infinity. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently push the chignon pin through the hairstyle underneath the hair tie in the middle and out the other side of the infinity bun. Tuck any shorter layers into the hairstyle. You can leave the end of the ponytail out, which will create a soft look if the hair is curled, or tuck the section underneath the infinity bun. An elegant way to use a chignon pin for both function and style.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.